Right, good evening, welcome back to another Funfair crazy vlog. Yeah, we haven't done one of these for a while. Yeah, so basically I was working today, and obviously straight away you can see the toboggan behind me, but I've not come for that. So yeah, finished work today, and yeah, just got a message of a Lenny Pettygrove. He's like, you haven't ridden my Go-Gator, come and ride it. So we're here. He's here behind me. This is Lenny. That's his dad. I think he's running out of the way. But yeah, come here behind me. So this is young Lenny Pettygrove.
Yeah.
And he messaged me on Facebook Messenger and said, come and ride the Go-Gator. Yeah. And I'm like, I didn't really want to, because I've ridden 3 like the past couple of weeks already. But yeah, it's another credit. Why not? So we're here at this little fair. It's in Borehamwood. I'll give you the information off my phone that I just took. This is very like quick sort of vlogging because it actually shuts at 9 o'clock. It's 20 past 8 now. So yeah, it's Borehamwood Meadow Park. I will post a picture. It'll be there somewhere. There's the poster, the flyer for it. It'll be there in the corner if you want to come. It's on till the 18th of June, which is tomorrow. So by the time the vlog's up, it's too late, but you can come next year anyway. So yeah, you can see behind me, you got the toboggan. There's a superstar behind me as well. Who owns a superstar? Freddie Ward. I'm not even sure if I've done that one yet. Where's that one normally go then?
Just around this area.
Around this area. And I tell you what else is also around this area. If you're a fan of EastEnders, the film EastEnders just up the road. Elstree Studios is here in Borehamwood. Completely forgot when we drove in. Oh, there's Elstree Studios. So yeah, this is what I've come for. Yeah, I know. Shameful cred. She's already over there off camera laughing at me. Shameful cred. $2.50 a ride. It's got to be done, hasn't it? It's got to be done. It's another Go-Gator, why not? You know, add to my coaster count. You've got the Superstar, you've got a Twister over there, you've got a Miami, there's a fun house, loads of game stalls and things like that. And yes, the Hoppings is on this weekend, but it's probably got to take me 5 hours to get there, so I can't justify travelling 5 hours. However, there is 3 coaster credits there, so we might go next weekend before it finishes. I don't know, but you'll see when the vlog comes on. Anyway, we'll get on it. I might do the toboggan while I'm here, because that thing's mental. And maybe the Superstar. Yeah, that should be enough for a nice quick little vlog. But yeah, thanks for inviting me down. Yeah, I didn't know this fair was on. There is actually a Facebook group on Facebook that like uploads like posters and stuff, and I couldn't find it on there. So anyway, let's get on it. Another shameful cred. Why not, eh? Why not? Oh, in a couple of weeks. Send it, yeah. Oh, a few days, I don't know. Yeah, shameful cred. Why not? There's no one here. I thought if I came late at night, all the young kids had gone home, so it doesn't really matter. Blokes riding Go-Gators, but yeah, there's loads of room on this one, so it's better than nothing, I suppose. But yeah, it's nice to come and support the local showman, show you what's here at this fair, and literally had no idea this was on today. So, nice little bonus surprise. But yeah, they will be closing up very, very soon. I might not have time to go on anything else, but I've got another credit in the bag. Check my coaster count, because I forget. Pretty sure this is 3. No, it's not, because I said that last time. 638 now, so I'm catching up to a few of my mates. Oh, look at the Superstar there behind me. I actually love these, I really do, especially the ones you can fit on anyway. And to own something like this would be brilliant. This and maybe a Caterpillar as well, and maybe one of them runaway trains, and maybe like the Crazy Dragon that Si Abbott used to own, because he sold that one. Well, I'll tell you what, I wish I was in California or America or somewhere. Happy birthday to Charlotte. I know by the time the vlog's gone up, but it was a birthday today, so happy birthday, Charlotte. and not Sean and Charlotte that was, yeah, you've not seen her for a while. It's like a 20 lap special. Yeah, another Go-Gator, 3 in the space of 2 weeks, and there, cheers lads, is that they're there behind me. You're on it now anyway, subscribe, I got a couple of new subscribers there. There you go, awesome, there's another one here, you're alright? That's it, they're all part of the family, you know the family, yeah, they've run the fair.
My dad and his dad's own it.
Oh, happy days. Right, I'm going on the toboggan now. Cheers lads. I know, I've been on it. Right, I'm coming on. Just give me a minute to sort me stuff out. Right, time for a quick go on the crazy toboggan. Chance Toboggan, the only one in the UK, and there's only a few left in the world. Yay! They're all mad for it. So is this coaster, this is crazy, seriously. Yeah, if you have never been out here and rode this toboggan, you got to do it, aren't you? Yeah. Tell the viewers.
You have to do it.
You've got to do it, and you'll see why in a second. Pretty much the world's first vertical lift coaster.
Right the front for me.
Yeah, oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god, here we go. Oh my god, this thing's mental. Oh, oh dear. He yeah, you had enough of that. Just wait until you get to the drop at the bottom. This thing's brutal. But it's hilarious. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Oh, God. Hey! Come here. Oh my god, it's awesome. Oh god. Oh, my hair's a mess now. Crazy, the world's first vertical lift hill coaster, I'm pretty sure of it. Chance Toboggan. Oh my god, that thing's crazy. Oh, what a ride. Yeah, you gotta come and do it. It normally goes to Dorset Steam Fair. Are you doing it this year as well?
Yeah, I'm putting it on this year. I'm doing 24 though.
Oh, it's not on this year, it's on next year. Dorset Steam Fair. Let's go on another ride. Cheers for that, dude. Right, quick, go. Ride to ride. Right, next up is the Superstar over there. But yeah, mental thing that. It's so good though, it's so much fun. Yeah, that thing's crazy, but seriously, if you like your unique coasters, you have got to come and check this thing out. Good, isn't it?
Best place ever!
Yay! I'm going to do it now, Superstar next, yeah. If you like collecting credits and unique coasters, you've got to try and track that down. It's mad, I have no idea it was here. Yeah, they're all following me around now. Yeah, I know, it's over there, I'm coming. Oh, they're just about to send it anyway. Yeah, love a good Superstar. Plenty of stuff here, but yeah, sadly it is the last day tomorrow. You know the tradition by now. Even if I went to the Hoppings, you probably wouldn't get to see the vlog until, I don't know, as of now, I think I've got 3 vlogs to upload, so, oh well, let's get some off-ride. Right, told you it was a quick one. Yeah, the Superstar, that's it. Capote's, he's turned it off already, but he's about to send to Miami. So I might as well jump on here quick, I think. Family channel, boob squashage, family channel.
Okay, you ready?
Alright, he's got to send it like a bad boy on here. Last ride of the day. Everyone's like, oh, you should have got here earlier. I was at work, so I didn't literally had no idea this fair was on. Last minute thing, yeah, everything's turned off now, apart from the Miami. And I'm sharing it with these girls. Woo! Over the shoulders. I can see EastEnders from here. Woo! Oh, this one's awesome. Yes. Riding like a bad boy. Woo! I know, my hair. I'm not filming you, my hair's going all over the place. Woo! Oh my God, my hair's a mess. Oh, that's it. Game over. That's it. It's turned it all off now. That's it. We're stuck up here now. I think it's broken.
No, shut up!
Hey! Woo! Yeah! No joke, it's probably one of the best ones of these I've ever been on. Woo! How much was this one? £3, I think. Yeah, £3. Oh my God, my hair. I should have put my cap on. Woo! Let's go! Last run! Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna have to do like some sort of Insta before we leave, just to promote it so people can come tomorrow or whenever this vlog came on. There you go, that's it, game over. Oh my hair. That was awesome. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Time to go home. That was awesome. Cheers, mate.
Thank you.
God. Is it a mess? Is it a mess? Oh, I don't know. I'll sort my hair out and I'll get back to you. Right, that's it. Yeah, like one of the quickest, shortest vlogs I've ever filmed, but a massive shout out to young Lenny for messaging me. And oh, he's over there. Come here, Lenny. My new mate. He's got to message me next time. You got to message me next time when you're at a fair. You said somewhere Eads or something.
Maysbrook.
Well, Maysbrook. There you go, Maysbrook. But yeah, thanks for inviting me down, mate.
That's all right.
Got another Go-Gator. Got some new subscribers and stuff. But yeah, nice little fair here. I'll just do a quick Insta before I finish, and so you can come tomorrow if you want to come. But yeah, it's a good ride. You got the toboggan here, which is very unique. Little Go-Gator, Superstar, massive fun house. I didn't even show you the fun house. It is £1 entry to get in here as well. But yeah, if you like what you've seen, you can come next year. Anyway, don't forget to do that on the side of the screen, just there. Hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the vlog, and yeah, again, big thanks to young Lenny there for telling me about the Go-Gator, because I needed the cred. But there you go, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.